Hello, hello, everybody. How are you? One more time here, one more class. So, my name is Bruno. If you don't know me, my name is Bruno. I've been teaching English for like 6 years of my life. I'm here in Sydney, Australia, teaching English. So, that's my life. So, today's class is all about numbers. Okay, we're gonna continue in our level A1, which is the first level, the first things you learn in English. That's why you will see that I will speak slowly. I will make sure you understand. I will double check things just to ensure understanding. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. First things first. We have two types of numbers, two like ways to classify these numbers. Now, this moment, okay, don't overthink about the future. I'll create one more slide here. Okay, I'll put just numbers just to you to see. Uh, we have cardinal numbers, cardinal numbers. Okay, and we have ordinal numbers. Okay, why did I put caps lock here? Okay, so we have cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay, cardinal numbers, they are just numbers, normal numbers: 1, 2, 10, 15, 50, 100, 1000, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Normal numbers, okay? And ordinal numbers, they express order. They display the order. For example, I love Formula One. Whenever the race finishes, they display some sort of scoreboard, okay? And they have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These numbers that I just said, they are the ordinal numbers, okay? I just want to make sure you understand because there are two different ways to use these numbers, okay? They are completely different from one another, okay? But today's class is about cardinal numbers, only cardinal numbers. Next class, I'll be talking about ordinal numbers. Okie dokie, let's start. I grabbed an image here because I think it's gonna be easier if I just show you, if I just like display in a way that it's gonna be like, how can I put it? Much easier. Okay? Well, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, da 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 da, 12. Okay? And to number 12. From 1 to 12 here. From 1 to 12, they are different. You have to remember, okay? There is no way out. You have to remember. 1, 2, 3. Pay attention. Pay attention. Number 3. Let me create one more slide here. Wow, I don't know what happened. Let me copy this one. Okie dokie. Tips. When I have the number 3, I have this. Okay? This is 3. Pay attention to the pronunciation. 3, 3, 3. Number 3. Because we also have one word that is like this. Okay? So this word, tree, tree, okay? Three, 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 three. It's kind of different, okay? Be careful. Of course, whenever we are talking to a person, the person is gonna understand that we are talking about numbers if we are uh, saying something about it. Okay? Don't worry, but just try not to make this mistake, okay? I'll just put like this: 3 and 3. I will record one video for the channel only talking about this pronunciation, but this is not the moment. Okay? Beautiful. Let's have a coffee because it's 9 a.m. here. Very hot. Okay. Well, let's continue. We have 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Okay, 12. But from the next number, 13, 13, into 19, 19, I have a pattern here. Okay, let me delete this one. From 13 to 19, I have this. It reminds me at least teenager, okay? Because you were a teenager when you were 13, okay? Just remember, every number from 13 into 19, I will say teen. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? Okay, so let's continue. We have 13, 14, 15. It's not 5. A lot of people say 15. No, it doesn't exist. It's 15. 15. Okay? 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay? It's not 10. It's teen. Okay? It's different. Beautiful. Awesome. From the number 20, which is 20, into 29, I will literally say 20. Okay? Every single time. Every single time. So let me show you. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Beautiful. And from the number 20 on, it gets easier and easier. Okay? Because if we see here, we have, look, the same pattern. I just changed the first word. Okay? It's the same thing. And just remember, after 20, we just follow these numbers again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If I have 3, 1, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Look how easy it is. Okay? So, when I have these numbers, I will say oh my gosh, 30. Okay? I'll say 30, 30. Okay? As you can see here. Very good, very good, very good. Okay? Very easy. You just have to remember the first word. Okay? If I have here 40, 40. Oh my gosh. Okay? As you can see here. Okay? And we just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, a lot of people will say 5, 1. No, it's not 5. It's 50. Pay attention. All of them, they finish the same way. The same way. The same way. The same way. I'll create one more. Let me see, Control D. Ah, perfect. It works. 70, 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. And this one, I'm not gonna say because I want you to see. Now it's beautiful. Yeah, it has some habits that everything have to be the same pattern. Okie dokie. So now we need this number here. Let's return. So I have here 60, 70, 80, 90. Pay attention, they almost follow the same thing. Some of them are different, like 5. I don't say 15 or 5T, I say 50. But a lot of them follow the same pattern. So let's check this out. 60, 70, 80, 90. But pay attention one thing. One thing. Now that we finished from 1 to 99, okay? I just want to make sure you understand that when you will write something, you will write a number, for example, like this. If you do 22, look, it's incorrect. Why is that wrong? Why is that incorrect? You have to remember, because it's very important. Oh my gosh, important. It's very important that you remember that you need this dash here, okay? We need it. We need it. Okay, pay attention here. From 21 until 99, we have, look, all of them. All of them. It's crucial that you understand it. You have to remember. Okay? Beautiful. Awesome. Now let's go to higher numbers. It's not so cold. It's not so hot anymore. It's kind of cold now. So we have here 100, 100. Okay, 100. So let's continue. 100. Okay. But teacher, if I have this, I have 200. But if I have 7, I have 700. Okay, and that's it. Look, pay attention. How easy. It's all the same. It's all the same. But teacher, one more time. What if, now I want to make things harder. What if I have 2, 7, 5? So let's start. I start with the first number. I have 200, correct? 200. And I also, look, will add, oh, sorry, it's here. I also will add these numbers. Okay, so I have 200, 20, oops, 20, oh, 70, sorry, 70. I saw the first numbers only. 275. But I have a problem. Where is my problem? Remember that I told you? Now it's beautiful. Now it's awesome. And teacher, if I have, I won't say, if I say, you know the answer. Like this. 410. I can put N10. There's no problem. Like here. Like here, you can see that I have and. Okay? But the way that you use numbers, it's very, very, very easy. You just have to remember all of them, which is the difficult part, let's say, okay? Well, let's continue. What if I have like this? Look, 1,000, 1,000. If I have 3 zeros, I have 1,000. Look, the pronunciation, thousand, thousand. Okay, so if I have like this, I have 2,000. If I have like this, I have 5,000. You will see that the higher the number, the easier it gets. Because remember, from 1 to 12, you had to memorize everything. But now you just have to change the first word. 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Okay? That's it. So, to finish this video, I'll just show you the last ones here. We have 1,000 here. 1,000. I believe you are seeing my mouse. That's why I'm just seeing here, okay? 1,000. But if I have 10,000, but if I have 100,000, remember here, look, these three numbers here, they are the same here. Look, 100. Basically, the high numbers, you just copy from the list here. You just copy from this list. You can have 100,000, oh, 10,000 in this case, but it still continues thousand. Thousand, you can have 100,000. You can have 1,000,000, 10,000,000. Okay, 10,000. Okay, it's very important. 100. It's very important that you remember the names. They are the game changing for you. Okay, we have basic numbers 20, 30, 50 with Y. Remember Y. We have 100, we have 1,000, we have million, we have billion. Okay, and it's I believe this part is exactly the same as it is in your language, like in Portuguese. When I think in Portuguese, it's pretty much like it's pretty much the same structure. Of course, English and Portuguese are different, but you get the idea. Okay, so I hope I helped you somehow. I don't know why you're learning English, what's your point with that, but I truly hope I helped you. And if you have any question, if you have anything you want to say, please leave in the comment section here. And that's it, okay? See you next class. See you around.